These are some trimming shears I cleaned up, took them all apart, cleaned them up. They were super rusty. I'll show you how rusty they were. Got the little clip that holds it together. This spring pops, it stays because there's a little piece of metal there that holds the spring. I was going to sharpen them, but just went out and tested them. They cut just fine. So they look like this one here. This guy here is pretty rusty. I started cleaning it up, but I just haven't taken it all apart. But it works real well. I use my wire wheel, my BuckTools wire wheel to clean them up, and now I got another pair of shears that kind of were just discarded because they were too rusty. I also put oh, where's that stuff at? Hang on a second. I put some stuff on there to keep it from rusting, so hopefully that'll work. Thank you again. All right, bye.